Is FUT Draft crashing every time you launch it in FC26? Let's fix those game-breaking crashes and get you back to building your dream squad. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to fix EA Sports FC26 FUT Draft crashes. Whether it's freezing mid-selection or crashing on launch, we have got the steps to stabilize your game and keep the draft rolling. Let's get started. Method 1. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app and run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update the graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the descriptions below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Method 2. Run the game on a dedicated graphics card. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics-intensive tasks well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing FC26. You can follow the method shown here. Check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. There are different other ways to check that depending on your operating system and the graphics card you have. Open Device Manager using Windows Search, expand Display Adapters. You should see two adapters listed here, one for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issues. Method 3. Unlink Steam and EA accounts and relink. The next thing you can try is unlink EA and Steam accounts and then create a new account and link that. To do so, go to the Connected Accounts tab of your EA account settings. Click the Unlink button next to your Steam account. You will get a code to verify your identity. Enter the code and select Submit. Read the disclaimer and make sure you want to unlink knowing all the risks above. Check the box for I understand and wish to continue. Click on Unlink, then create a new account and relink it with your Steam account. Then try to play the game and see if this helps. Method 4. Clear the EA app cache. Corrupted cache can create problems and cause these types of errors. So you should always clear the EA app cache and reconfigure it. But before doing it, close the EA app from the task manager. Type EA app in the Windows search box, right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Right-click on App Recovery and select Run as Administrator. Click on Clear Cache, the app will restart. Check if the error is resolved. Method 5. Check the EA game server status. The issue can also occur if the EA account is not read from the server. This can happen if the server is under maintenance or if there is any server outage. So, you can check the EA server status from this link. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 6. Open the EA app as an administrator. Sometimes the EA app may require administrative privileges to function properly. So run the EA app as an administrator and see if this can fix the error. Right-click on the EA desktop shortcut, select Show More Options, then open its properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check the box for Run this program as an administrator option. Click on Apply, then OK to save the changes. Method 7. Log out of your EA account and log in again. The next thing you can try is log out of your EA account and then log in again. To do that, click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the EA app homepage. Select Logout option, then wait for some time and then log in with your account credentials. Launch the game and check now. Also make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. And that's it. FUT Draft should now run smoothly without crashing. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Still facing issues or found your own workaround? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.